What is up everybody, CodeWithYash here, and in this video we'll be starting the CSS course. So glad to say that we have done the HTML, and also regret to say that in this video we will not be writing any code. Yeah, in this video we'll be just looking at the concept and understanding. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get not heard about every video I release. So let's get into our VS Code and start coding. So I'm in my VS Code, guys, and now I have said you earlier that I will not write code in this video. So back into browser, go here and type CSS syntax, and here in images I will go into make you see. Yeah, that's a good image. Yeah. So now you can see there is something known as written as selector, then declaration, and declaration has property and value. First, selector is like if you want to target any particular element, we need a selector. The IDs and classes are selectors. Here h1 is also a selector. Okay, the h1 h2 p a anyone, these all are selectors. Selector is the thing which we want to target. Okay, so now declaration is simply the thing that we want to do. So firstly we have these parentheses. Into the parentheses we have property and value. Firstly, property means color. Okay, color, not color. This is only an example, so it's color. So say we want to change the color, so we write color colon, the value which is here blue, and then semicolon. Then we can write another font size colon 12 pixels semicolon. Okay, now let's see another example. So here, as you can see, they have added group of selectors, or two selectors. First is header, and then is p.intro. P.intro basically means that in the p means that in the paragraph tag there is an element that has id.intro. Okay, which has id intro. So we are targeting that. Okay, so in these parentheses we have two properties: background color. You know what is this? Red. Okay, then border radius. I'm gonna tell you this in the further videos. Okay, so this is much everything. So there are many websites as well from where you can learn. Yeah, there are many. So I think this is pretty much for this video, guys, and is a short video. In this we learned about the CSS. Okay, CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and we have this syntax here. Okay, and CSS is only for beautifying or making transition animations in your website. Okay, so let us check another um, Apple site. I have seen Apple site, and they have also, I think, used and yeah, let us see their animation. Okay, so here you can see this is coming. Okay, this is by animations, this is by CSS. Okay, they have used CSS very well. So if I go to apple.in, so the thing is that they have used CSS very well, and I agree that you are gonna, here you can see this, they have embedded a video. Okay, this is not much difficult for us. I will gonna tell you next. So I think this is pretty much for this video, guys, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and also like my videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time.